Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove write protection from your USB drive or pen drive. So how to do this, let's get started. What you have to do is open command prompt as administrator and then type disk part here. Click enter, then type list disk, hit enter and then select your USB drive. For my case I have disk 1 as my USB drive, so I'll type select disk 1. Then you have to type attributes disk clear and read only. Attributes disk clear read only. Once you do this, hopefully your problem solves. You just have to restart your PC, and then if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.